Welcome to Scytale. This is the ultimate security compliance automation and expert advisory solution. Let's introduce you to the platform. This is your dashboard, an overview of the current status of your ongoing compliance. It highlights your progress for key areas in compliance, such as policy sign-off, monitoring of controls, and audit evidence collection progress. Let's now look at the audit screen. The audit screen provides a comprehensive overview of active frameworks, including detailed information and progress tracking. It also displays a list of controls, along with evidence for each control, as well as monitoring capabilities and functionality to add custom controls. So how can we collect a lot of this audit evidence? Let's dive into the integration screen. Scytale offers a wide range of integrations, allowing you to streamline and automate the majority of your tasks. With over 100 monitors available, you can enhance the dependability and effectiveness of your workflows. We collect metadata to ensure compliance with regulations. To connect to an integration, click on the relevant integration tile. Then, click on the Integration User Guide hyperlink. Here you can find a detailed guide on how to connect to the integration. Monitoring your compliance can be both difficult and time-consuming. Scytale makes this easy and pain-free. The monitoring screen provides a list of requirements where you can easily identify flagged issues and take action on your tasks. There are many filters available so that you can focus on specific action items. View a list of items pulled from integrations and auto-produced tasks updated regularly through daily syncs or audit periods. Additionally, receive step-by-step instructions on how to fix and resolve any identified issues. Policies form an important part of your compliance journey. Scytale offers a range of policy templates tailored to the specific framework you operate in, ensuring that there are clearly defined processes in place. Additionally, you have the option to create your own policy document. Moreover, Scytale provides reminders for conducting annual reviews of each document to meet your compliance requirements. Each policy comes with a structured workflow for reviewing and approving the document. Scytale also helps you to automate more processes depending on your compliance needs. One of these is the risk assessment, where Scytale has made it easy to track and manage your company risks. Additionally, you can manage the user access review to all your critical systems. On the training screen, you can manage required employee compliance training, such as the annual security awareness training. Use some of our other guides to automate more work for your next audit. Need help? Don't worry. We are always here for any questions.